Okay, and then what you also need to do again is use a little color to bring it to life. So what I have here is I have a little bit of, you can use either moss green or chartreuse, either one, depending on what, you know, what color you want your leaves to be. Okay, because this is a kind of a bright green, and I don't like it that bright, so I just use, I don't know if this camera can pick it up. Can you see the color I'm getting on here? It's a much better. So let me, I have one here, I have one that's already dry. Let me grab it. Ooh, the magic of television. Here.
So that's what it looks like about an hour from now.
Well, yeah, it was a different color green to start with. It wasn't green, the green fondant. But, and then you just add, this is chartreuse that I'm putting on it to make it a darker green. I'm pretty sure I put some avocado on this too, but I'm not positive. I gotta go look. Shiny, shiny leaves. Okay, you can just, I'm just doing a quick, you can see the veins now. See how the vein shows up? Oh. Get the bottom, get the back, get the sides. All right, so you get the idea. Just dust it up. Okay?
Looking good?
Yep, so far so good. I'm pretty sure I put avocado. I did put avocado on that. So I've got a little bit of gold on them too. Mm. It's a Christmas present, you know, the more bling the better. So let me grab my avocado. Got a little bit of gold. It's a green gold is what that is. Mm. Probably my most used color of all time is that one.
Green gold?
It's a green gold. Avocado, it's green and gold. Huh. It's pretty. Can you see it?
Kind of.
Okay, so what we've got going on here is these leaves, and we're just going to stuff them on. Now I've got a little bit of white. It's nice because I can actually take this off. Let me grab my frosting. There it is. Because this has a white rim to it. So what I have is just a plain bag, and I have red on my spatula. Should have done that before I did that.
Basic
Forgot about the
white
leaves.
buttercream?
This is just white buttercream. Mm-hmm.
In a pastry bag.
Now you can use in a plain coupler.
Okay, no tip.
Or you can just cut a hole. Yep. Or you can cut a hole. Okay. All right. Because I forgot to do this. Why didn't someone say something? Where's the white fluffy part? Yeah, what do you know?
You're the expert.
I know.
But it's good to know that you can repair it afterwards.
Oh yeah, you just take it and stick it back on.
Look at that, covers all kinds of stuff.
Oh yeah, a multitude of sins.
Yep.
You know me. I've got an error, quick, cover it up. Okay, so there's this little pause. Okay, so now we can add our leaves.
One of our members, Jackie Copeland, suggests that perhaps the reason that the cat looks that way is because the shoe stinks.
Good. Lovely.
Thanks, Jackie.
That was lovely.
I am agreeing with her.
Okay.
Cat's kind of worried, going,
Get me out of here quick.
Do I really want to jump into this?
I don't want it anymore. Okay, so we have one more thing after we get the leaves in here. How are we looking?
Looking good.
Okay. One more thing we got to have is the bow and the candy canes. Well, the candy canes are candy canes. I am not making candy canes, all right?
Okay, good.
Doggone it. You can find them this time of year. Go buy some.
Yeah.
Okay, candy canes.
Store-bought candy canes.
Store-bought candy canes. Okay, so I got to stick those in.
They go directly into the brownie.
They go directly into it. Yep. I got to turn this so I can see it.
Okay. You do what you gotta.
Yep, you do what you got to do. There we go. Okay, and then he's got a bow on him, and then I'll fill in any extra with leaves.
Okay.